9 years ago, we started out with a simple goal: to make a difference in Australia's manufacturing scene, to become the leading manufacturer of all types of electrical switchboards. One project, one customer, one industry, and one city at a time. But we didn't start out by building switchboards. We started out by building a company that would give equal opportunities to everyone. As few migrants that started Dara who knew the importance of giving people a chance to prove their worth. So we made it our mission to do exactly that and provide our employees of all nationalities with a place to make a new start. And we also made it our mission to make our customers win. We started slow, just 4 product lines, serving 4 clients from our home base in Victoria. But we never stopped looking for opportunities to grow and serve, to embrace challenges and provide the best experience in buying a switchboard in Australia. 9 years later, we've done exactly that. Our 4 clients are now more than 300. Our 4 product lines are now over 15. And we're not just in Victoria anymore. Serving clients across Australia and the Pacific, our switchboards can be found anywhere from apartment buildings to solar power plants, from hospitals to shopping malls. We energise all types of industries to give power to you. Our clients are as diverse as we are, from 2-man electrical contractors to mining giants like BHP. We believe that in each new partnership, there's something to learn from. We're still learning and growing, every year, every day. Our 4-people team now comprises of more than 75 people, most of them migrants like many others who shape the landscapes of Australia. Our 2 engineering interns intake are now 60 per year in what has become Australia's biggest internship program in switchboard manufacturing. Every year, every day, we help the future generation grow into their best professional selves. This is what Dara is all about, and we couldn't have made it without you. So from all of us here at Dara Switchboards to all of you out there, thank you. Here's to the next 9 years.